I've already done a video about who AJ is, right? It's the first video I ever posted. And if you haven't seen it, go check it out. We're gonna consider this a reintroduction because I see that we have a solid viewing audience now. I kind of found my people who watch me on a regular basis. Now that we're starting to reach more people, I want to be very clear about who this channel is really for. First off, I'm not your spiritual guide. I'm not your fitness page that you follow for motivation. I'm not your friend that kicks you advice that, you know what I'm saying, you just want to hear. Who I am is somebody who gives pragmatic advice about how to maneuver this life shit as a male. The shit that we face, the ways that we can maneuver this shit in a way that can put us exactly where we need to be in life to affect the people that we're supposed to and make the changes that are necessary within our power. That is who I am. And what I want to make abundantly clear is that the advice I give is not for the hypersensitive. A lot of this shit, it is stuff that hits close to home for a lot of people. Like I said in another video, a lot of the people are gonna try and infiltrate this space and spread misinformation and have you believe that the traditional way, the right way to go about self-improvement is wrong. Like they do with everything fucking else. There are these people who have these self-improvement pages, like, bro, they don't even have their face on it. Like, it's not even them. They're not to be trusted. Do not be fooled by these people. If you can't look them up, you can't actually find them, bro, not to be trusted. They're soothsayers, bro, they're weirdos, dog. And if you met them in real life, they're nothing that they're portraying themselves to be. I promise you that. I promise you that. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. If you're a thoroughbred, this shit will reach you. The same way it's been reaching everybody else who comes here and, you know what I'm saying, finds a place that they can really get gain that helps them with what they're dealing with on a day-to-day. Be vigilant out here, stay true to what you know is right, and as always, bro, stay up, more life to you. But we're gonna keep growing this shit. That's for damn sure. This is all just some more cold game, some free game that you're gonna be needing on your self-improvement journey. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, on your self-improvement journey, keep your chin up, your chest out, and always keep it pushing.